Good morning, everybody. I am doing a screencast recording for you to show us your Spring 20 class. So what you're seeing right now is my website, Canvas website, Course Canvas. And by the way, hello. I'm a little nervous, so I'm Karen Chow. I am your instructor. I'm sitting outside on my deck, sheltered in place, as I hope you are. And like I said, this is the Canvas course. I actually haven't activated it yet, so it's going to look slightly different up here, but it's still going to be our Spring 20 class. And I want to show you that when you come to the home page, it should look kind of like this. I'm going to upload this video once it's done to that link right here. And also, navigating the site, what you should do is you should check the site daily, every day. You should also go straight to modules, because modules is how I'm organizing the course chronologically. And so modules is right here on your left side tab. Also, if you ever want to see our syllabus, it is at the syllabus tab. And the syllabus breaks down generally what we're going to be doing in the course and my policies and things like that. But let's head over to modules right now. I'm clicking on that. And is it going to modules? Oh, my computer is a little bit slow, but there we go. Okay, so you'll see that at the top of each module, I label it dates, so you can see exactly date-wise where you should be in that week. And everything is laid out chronologically. So that means that there are some things I want you to read, watch, write, or do, and there are usually 2 deadlines every week. Wednesday at midnight, and I'm going to scroll down here. Okay, there we go. Scroll down. Okay, Wednesday at midnight and also Sunday at midnight. So generally there are 2 deadlines to do all of the things I want you to do. And so I have them in order of the readings I want you to read, the posts that I want you to post, and the posts can be in either a discussion format. Discussion means that you would see not only your post, but you would see all your classmates' posts. And the reason why I do that is because I also ask you to respond to your classmates' posts. That's the way that we're kind of doing a discussion in our class. And also, another way that you'll be uploading things is as an assignment. And when you upload something as an assignment, you submit your work, but you don't see anybody else's work. And I look at everybody's and I assign points and grade them. Okay, so since it is an online course, basically I'll be opening up each week's module, generally 2 weeks at a time, sometimes 1 week at a time, because I want you to stay focused on the week that on the work that I'm asking you to do during that time. And so you won't see, for example, the modules past this week and next week yet, but I will open those other modules later. And our first essay is going to be due on as a full rough draft for peer editing on May 1st, and then the final essay will be due on May the 3rd. And so we'll talk more about that a little bit later. Yeah, so why don't you, so first, congratulations on getting into the course and finding the video. You can always go into my portal and log into your Canvas course sites there. Hopefully that's second nature or easy for you to do by now. And check out my course, check out the homepage, check out the syllabus, check out the modules. I will be using Confer Zoom as a way to do online and synchronous, which means in real time hours with you all. I also want to try to do a class Zoom, and I'm looking over the responses that you all gave me for the Google Classroom survey that I sent out about a week and a half ago. And it's looking to me like Tuesday 9 to 10 a.m. and Friday 9 to 10 a.m. are very popular times. I think there was also one evening time that was also somewhat popular. So what I will do is circulate between those 3 time slots so that hopefully everybody has a chance to log in and interact with me and other classmates in a live format, and hopefully that'll be a good way to build class community. And also, if you have questions, that's a good time for you to ask them and get answers right away. Discuss assignments, readings. So hopefully we'll have a great quarter together. I'm looking forward to it, and I hope you are too. Don't ever hesitate to reach out to me when you have any questions. And the way that you can do that is go to your Canvas inbox here, and you can send me a message there. You can also message other classmates there. And also, I like to use the announcements feature, which is basically a way for me to message everybody. And so you'll see those pop up probably on a regular basis, reminders of assignments and things like that. Generally, though, you are very responsible for keeping track of all the assignments and keeping track of what's coming up and due. I try to give reminders, but ultimately you also are responsible. And you can see where our assignments are on the assignments link. You can see it on the modules. Yeah, so I think that's covering what I wanted to cover with you right now. And like I said, I look forward to hearing from you and hopefully seeing you soon. All right, take care.